broadcasting in English language.
The stance of the state chapter of the Miyetti Allah Kautal Hore is coming less than 48 hours after Governor Aminu Masari appeared on AIT's Thursday, September 9 edition of Democracy Today program while reacting to the statement threatened legal action. The public relations officer of the association, Isma Yamadi, speaking on behalf of the chairman, Hassan Kuraye, said, considering the enormous contributions made by the governor in tackling farmers-headers clashes in the state, such statement is unwarranted and uncalled for.
It's a standing committee for the relationship between herders and farmers in Katsina State, which is making a very comprehensive and is making a successful negotiation with the farmers, where we had some cattle routes being encouraged, and already they have been demarcated by the standing committee with the support of Katsina State government. And we are aware His Excellency have been making so many contributions with regard to animal feed to members, or rather to herders in Katsina State, and the issue of inoculation, so to say, the Katsina State government is making tremendous support, is giving its tremendous support to Fulani herdsmen across Katsina State. So
he added that while the view of Saleh is not of the National Secretariat, the state chapter too had to swing into action and distance itself from the statement, believing that the National Secretary must be regretting his action at the moment. The association also hinted that in the coming days, the national president and other ESCO members will be in Katsina to visit the governor to plead with him over the incident.
The national president of Miyetti Allah Kautal Hore is coming to Katsina personally, together with the executive members, to plead with His Excellency to forgive and forget those negative utterances, for us to continue to forge ahead, to continue to make some progress.
They, however, pledged to keep assisting the state government in its quest to find a lasting solution to the issue of banditry faced in the state.